Hey magnet makers, welcome back. In our last video, we logged into Gridget, got a demo token, and assigned it to our pretend customer, the guy in the blue hat. We ended by showing you this QR code that we give to our customer. Now in this video, we're going to switch perspectives. I'm going to pretend that I'm the customer, the guy in the blue hat, and I'm going to walk you through the entire experience from their point of view, starting with scanning this QR code all the way to submitting photos. Let's get started. We're going to start by opening the camera app like we've already done. And at the bottom, you'll see a little text box that has popped up. I'm going to simply click on that. Now you see this brings me right straight into a page that is specific to our customer. It shows 0 of 9 magnets at the top, and it says you need 9 more magnets because we assigned the customer 9 magnets to fill out. It also tells them at the bottom that these will be 2 by 2, which is exactly what we had decided. They'll start by clicking Choose Photo. Next, they can choose where they get their photo from, and we're just going to go with the photo library where most people put their photos. Now I'm going to take a photo here that I think is kind of interesting. We'll go with this doll here and click on that. Say, yep, that's the one I want. Click Done. This is automatically going to load it right straight into the cropper here. So by default, it's not really the way I want it to look, so I'll just kind of pinch and zoom and bring it right straight more into what's maybe more interesting. It might look good on a magnet. Yeah, a little offset it there a little bit. I like this. So I'm going to click Use This Crop. Now another thing that's important is that I can choose to make more than 1 magnet per image. And in this case here, I'm going to say I want 3. So I'll click 3 and hit Continue. Notice the progress bar up top says 3 of 9 magnets with 1 unique photo. And I have to upload 6 more magnets or make 6 more magnets. So I'll choose Photo again. Photo library. This time, let's do something kind of funny with an old phone. I have no idea what that phone number is. Don't dial it. I have no idea who that would be. And again, we'll just kind of like put it in the center there. That looks kind of cool. Use this crop. Notice I can only select up to 6 at this point in time because it's determined I've already done 3. So click 3 again. Click Continue. And lastly, let's go with that drawing of a woman. Looking there, I'll say, yeah, that looks good. Kind of crop that. That looks pretty cool. Click Use This Crop. And again, you look at the top with the progress bar. It shows I've already made 6 of 9 magnets using 2 unique photos. In this case here, I went 3 more of these and click Continue. Now it's going to take me to a summary screen where I can see 3 of each photo that I put in there. I'm going to say, yes, these are the 9 magnets that I want, 3 of each of these. And I'm going to click Submit. That was it. And a little survey for me. I thought, as a customer, this was great. So I'm going to give it a nice big smiley face. And it tells me right now to go back to my vendor. Now this is it for the customer experience. Done. They get to do all the things they wanted to do, take their time to get their photos in. They've already set up everything that they want. And in our next video, you're going to see from the vendor side what happens from here. See you then.